Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Bezzera espresso machine, and it had a bad temperature sensor thermostat on the head here, and it was news to me that it even had a thermostat on, that it even heated the head. So that's cool. And then I was able to show that it's working here. So here's my amp meter, and I was drawing basically drawing 1 amp of power, and or 1 amp, not 1 amp of power, just 1 amp, and so that's about 120 watts. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. I think I put too much coffee. It has a 1-cup, 1-shot basket in it, which I'm not very used to using. I think I put too much coffee in it. So let me come back and do another shot. Okay, we have 9 grams in here. See what this does. I really don't use these 1-shot baskets very often. Oh, that looks pretty good. Yeah, technically a 1 shot is 7 grams, a double is 14, and triple's 21. But when I make doubles, I like 18 grams. So, and I figured that a single would not really be a good single is probably not 7 grams. So I made it 9, and it looks like it's doing pretty well. And let's steam, take the hot water. Both working well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please check our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.